In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Google Search Console to your Squarespace website. Now, this is step one in getting Google to start showing your website in search results. So don't skip this one and stay tuned for the next video after we connect it inside of Squarespace. Then in the next video, I'll show you how to submit your sitemap to Google. But this is step one. Let's dive in. Okay, I'm here in my Squarespace website and I'm going to show you a different way that I like to connect Google Search Console. It's not the way that you're typically taught, but I think it's better. And here's how you do it. We're going to go to Analytics on the left-hand side here. And if for some reason you're not seeing that menu here, if you click the / key on your keyboard and start typing in Analytics, it'll take you right here. Okay, I want to go over to search keywords and connect up Google search keywords here. So this is going to connect Google Search Console to my website. And it's important for a lot of reasons, but if we do it here, we're going to be able to get keyword research information right here in our Squarespace Analytics tab. So that's why I like to do it here. Go ahead and click connect. It's going to walk you through a whole host of pop-ups connecting your Squarespace Analytics to Google Search Console. It's going to ask you to give Google your firstborn child. Just kidding. There are a lot of things you have to agree to, but this is really handy data. If you haven't connected it before, you'll see that it takes a few days to start showing up here, but once it does, you can see what people are searching for when they land on your website. So in the last 30 days, people have searched for Squarespace Web Designer and landed on my website. Squarespace Website Designer, Squarespace Designer, Squarespace Website Design. Your Instagram feed is not updating. That's a really common problem. But this information is really useful to have. That's why I wanted you to take the first step here inside the analytics panel. Now, again, stay tuned for the next video when I show you how to submit your sitemap to Google. In that video, I'm going to walk you through how to let Google know to start serving up your site in search results. And if you found this helpful, please give the video a like or drop a comment below, as that helps other people find my videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I wish you all the best with your website.